able to give the support that he requires to go out there and do the very best for QPR. He has now. I think today really is about the fact that it's Neil and the team to us as shareholders, and to say, well, this is what we need, to say that's fine. I do think it's important what Neil said, just about the players today.